Okay.
Let me go like this.
Okay. All right, everybody. We've arrived onto some royal grounds here called the Mission Hill Winery. As you can see, it is exquisite. It is so nice and beautiful.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs rolling astray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the
These wine vessels are from before Christ. What? Yeah. This is it.
Is a 2016 vintage coming from our legacy collection.
Every morning we've been eating sausage egg McMuffins and out.
Hello. I'm greatly enjoying my wine tour. The experience was exquisite. As you can see, we have been drinking some incredible wine today at Mission Hill. This is the Reserve 2019 Sauvignon Blanc. And I've already eaten the Carmelis goat feta over here, which was splendid.
You know, just last year I was broke. Just last year I could barely afford to eat McDonald's. This is what FBA has done for me, and this is what it can do for you too.
Alright guys, so that's it for Kelowna. Now we're just strapping up the bikes. We just had an amazing meal at Earl's restaurant, never disappoints, and especially on this trip. We've been to Earl's multiple times, and all the boys have been loving it, right?
Right.
Everybody's been loving Earl's, so
Fact.
now we're just gonna get on the bikes. We're gonna rip it to Vancouver. It's only gonna be like 3.5 hours left, and at that point, we're on the Pacific Ocean, which is an incredible, incredible achievement for us. It's been 2 weeks since the start of this trip. Everything's been great, apart from maybe one torrential downpour that we've had. We're gonna get to Vancouver. We're gonna see a friend out in Victoria, and Victoria is a very European-esque city on Vancouver Island. So we actually have to take a ferry, which is gonna be lit. All the boys are gonna be taking a ferry. Yeah, so far really enjoying this trip. And let's head to Vancouver.
Go ahead.
Okay. All right, guys, so we made it to Vancouver. We finally crossed all of Canada. I think it's taken us like 19 days, right? I don't know. I lost
think
count.
So, yeah.
19 days of very, very slow driving and just chilling and relaxing. But now we're in Vancouver. We just woke up. We stayed at this amazing hotel. As you can see, it's very posh, very nice. It's called Wedgwood Hotel and Spa. So if you're ever in Vancouver, great place to stay. Now we are going to take the ferry. We're gonna drive to the ferry. It's like 40 minutes away. We're gonna take the ferry and basically we're gonna load the motorcycles on in the car. We're gonna be on there for an hour and a half and we are going to get off in Victoria, which is a very nice city. I've been there once. Haven't really spent too much time there. After that, from Victoria, we're gonna go all the way west to Tofino, which is, I think, the only place you can surf in Canada, to be honest with you. I'm not really sure. No, it's not the only place. Misha's waving his head. So don't quote me on that, but probably one of the best places to surf in Canada. There you go. Now he's nodding his head. So there you go. So that's what's gonna happen in the next few days of this trip. And we all have very good morale right now. We all feel great. And yeah, we're gonna hit the road.
Hey guys, it's time to get absolutely simply euphoric on the road today.
Liam was nice enough to host us here at his house, so thank you very much, Liam.
Thanks for coming, boys. Love it.
Now we're going to continue our journey to Tofino, which should be the surfing capital of Canada. We just stopped by this beautiful lake, and it turns out this is Cameron Lake. This is one of the lakes that Michael saw in a TikTok, I think, so he was actually looking forward to coming here. It is super beautiful. Where are we from? Toronto. What's going on, guys? We just stopped for food. We're at Port Tofino. We have 2 hours left. Michael, again, is very afraid of motorcycling at night. Want to come?
Flashback to almost hitting a bear. And
Flashback to the locals in, where was it, Sault Ste. Marie, telling us that they simply don't drive at night.
Listen, guys, we are going to be spending 3 days in Tofino. We have an entire trunk full of food and incredible snacks and the whole thing. We will be living the definition of freedom for the next 3 days. We're very excited. And that's it. That's all I have to say.
I can't stay forever. That's a great intent. Treat this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine's night.
Too late.
We made it to Tofino. And we are now in the motel/hotel/residence where we're staying. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been a long day of riding.
Good night.
Good night.
You stoked?
absolutely. Hella stoked.
Is it?
Catch some waves, it's gonna be awesome.
What's going on? Good morning. I'm just picking up some boards here in Tofino. World-class surfing destination, apparently. I'm very excited. Last time I was here was 2 years ago, and that was my first time surfing, actually. We're just gonna hit some waves today. I think, according to the surf report, they're not too big. They're like 2-3 feet waves, 3-foot waves. Which is perfect for beginners. Like I said, it's really humbling for me to be here. I'm kidding. I'm like a complete beginner at surfing. So you guys will see that today, next hour or two.
If this one will work for you.
All right, Mikey, how was today?
This has been the best day of the trip so far, which says a lot because the trip has been incredible. It's my first time surfing. Your boy's kind of a pro already.
Hey.
Kind of a pro. Yeah, unbelievable. I mean, look at this. Surfing in Canada, just like, I didn't even think that was possible. Just wow. Just wow. Wow.
How was today?
It was an absolutely incredible day. In my opinion, also the best day of the trip. We just had amazing waves, surfed all day, got up on the board plenty of times. You know, usually me surfing, it's usually like one get up every 99 waves. So today was incredible. We just had an epic sunset. We just cooked food on the beach here and just basically beach bumped all day. So now we're just gonna pack up because we are being attacked by unknown flying objects. They're so small and they're just attacking. They're everywhere, they're everywhere. So we will now go back to the hotel slash motel.
Oh, that's so good. Oh my God. Oh, thank you.
Okay, we must pack up. We simply must pack up or else the bugs will get the best of us.
I'm documenting.
The boys are very warm, as you can see. We've got myself, we've got Michael, we've got Adam. We're just getting ready to hit some incredible 10-foot waves.
Oh yeah. This is the money shot. Money shot, baby.